Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Again, guys, I'm not feeling all that great, so I won't be doing my usual long intro or outro, but I will read the first comment from my last video, which was my creepiest images video. Congratulations, Kelly Angelo. Kelly says, hey y'all. Well, hey Kelly, how are you doing, honey? I really appreciate that, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to get that shout out. Now, guys, let's just go ahead and get started. We do have a new spoiler for the BoxyLuxe December, and this is confirmed for this box. This is not the full box variation, but first I'm going to show you what you're going to be getting, and then I'll show you the new one. First thing is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Little Briar Rose Palette. Next is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. You'll either get that or the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Next up is another variation item. You'll either get the Cosmetics Crystal Roller or the QMS Lip Line Corrector, and also the Fresh Beauty Soy Cleanser. Now, the spoiler they just revealed, and it was revealed yesterday, but it's kind of late, so I didn't put it out, so that's why I'm a little bit late on getting it out. It is a variation. You'll either get the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss or a Too Faced Liquid Lipstick. Now, again, this is not the full box. There are more stuff coming out. And as soon as they do that, I'll update you guys. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Uma's home. Uma's home says, creepy. Yeah, it was, wasn't it, Uma? Y'all, Uma's got a channel. I got it linked below if you want to go check her out. She's been one of my friends for such a long time, ever since I first started YouTube. So if you would, I'm going to leave her link below. Go check her channel out. She does a lot of great stuff on there. Y'all are going to love her. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, again, please make sure you're subscribed, make sure your bell's turned on. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you today, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.